In this video, we will walk you through the setup of your new Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Your CIRQA Smart Band comes with the sensor, fabric band, and charging cable out of the box. To get started, turn the Smart Band on by pressing and holding the button. The LED will flash purple to indicate it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Next, locate the QR code provided in your box. Scan this code using your compatible smartphone's camera. For existing customers, this will open the Garmin Connect smartphone application to begin pairing your new Smart Band. For new customers, this will take you to the Garmin Connect download page. Once downloaded, open the app. Next, sign in or create a new account. Then agree to the end-user license agreement. Now, verify your age. This includes your date of birth and country of residency. Select Continue. Confirm your age details, followed by entering your account information. The app will begin searching for your CIRQA Smart Band. Select Find Nearby Accessories on Apple iPhones if prompted. Select Connect It or Setup on Apple devices to start pairing. Finally, follow the instructions to finish setting up your device. This includes features like your sleep window and where you want to wear your new band. You will also be able to enable auto activity detection. This feature uses motion and exertion data recorded by your device to record activities. Select Agree to enable this feature. Next, you can select up to 10 of your favorite activities. Select one or use the search bar at the top to add activities. Then, select Next. Select Sync Now to finish the setup of your device. Now, let the software finish downloading to your device. Next, select Finish. You will now be on the Garmin Connect homepage. Here, you will see the Essentials view. This gives you insight into your sleep score, steps for the day, and more. For a comfortable fit and the most accurate metrics, wear your Smart Band above your wrist bone. It should be snug but not too tight. To adjust the fit, unfasten the strap and pull or loosen as needed through the adjustment ring. Then fasten the end, ensuring it is aligned. When paired with the Garmin Connect app, you can view your metrics like sleep score, steps, and more. You can also start and stop activities or get notifications when you have met your fitness goals. The CIRQA Smart Band provides up to 10 days of battery life. You can view your remaining battery life in the Garmin Connect app. You will also receive notifications on your compatible smartphone when it's time to charge. Next, let's try tracking an activity. Your device will use your compatible smartphone's GPS to track outdoor activities like running and cycling once location tracking has been enabled. It can also display metrics such as speed and distance. To start tracking, press the button. Your device will vibrate and the LED will flash to indicate your CIRQA Smart Band is tracking data. When you're finished, press the button to stop tracking. Your Smart Band will save the activity to your Garmin Connect account for you to review. Your Smart Band can also automatically detect and track a variety of activities. You can view and edit these afterwards in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. The Garmin CIRQA Smart Band will adapt to more accurately classify your activities in the future as you confirm or edit them. You can also easily browse, start, and stop activities from the Garmin Connect smartphone application. And that's all there is to get started with your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Thanks for watching. For more help, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.